Thank you for giving me the idea to do voiceovers, even though I can't stand my voice, and it's super annoying. I'm sure everybody does, or most people. Anyway, hey! Yeah, it's windy and wavy. It was insane and intense. I left that part in because I didn't care. It was insane. Waves going over the bow of the ship, and by ship I mean tiny boat. I wasn't too nervous though, because I've had water in the kayak before, and the scupper holes pretty much let everything out, which was nice. Other than that, it was kind of intense. A couple boats out there were not having a good time, and I was definitely getting some water on my posterior. Oh man, that is crazy. I thought I'd try here to do a sideways roll, see how the kayak held up. This is the Temrac from Lifetime. I purchased from Walmart, not too much. It's been an amazing boat. All I've done is kind of put some hot glue in some of the holes that I thought may be getting water. Still gets water in it though, but not too bad. As you can tell, wasn't the best, well, that seat is extremely wet. Wasn't the best kayaking adventure I've ever had, but it was pretty cool. I loved not dying. That was the best part about it. It was fun to get that kayak back on my Jeep though, because it acted like a 50-pound kite. But thank you for watching.